Morning, family. Ham's Loft. Wednesday morning. Still at the 10-mile marker. 40, 42 birds getting ready to go out. Yesterday I had 40. I think I had 40. I think I had 41 or something like that. Two must have came back or something. Anyway, it's 42 today, so we're just gonna keep rolling and see what we do. This will be the last time at this spot. I do not know what time they get home. Next spot, we'll see where we go. But they've been in there long enough. They've been in there. They know exactly where this place is. We're just gonna get them out, get them on the road. The one that got out of there late is the same one that shitted on my truck yesterday. But you can see they are circling there. We got a few stragglers all over the damn place. But all right, they gone. Going home.